Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to save your own tables, export to HTML, Excel, and others, and copy data to other applications using Beyond 2020. Beyond 2020 is an interface used to present aggregate data. The Beyond 2020 reader is freely downloadable, but access is restricted by Carleton IP address to current Carleton students, faculty, and staff. So let's go to the Odyssey repository. To do that, we will open up the data center's homepage. We'll go to the link along the top left-hand side of the screen and open up the Odyssey homepage. I have it here in this tab, and we'll go down the left-hand side of the screen to click on the link for the Odyssey repository Nestar. So it's here in this tab, and for example's sake, we're going to click to expand the plus sign for Agriculture, Canada, Census of Agriculture. We'll go into 2001, aggregate data. We can see here that the Beyond 2020 files are available on this chart menu. We'll click to expand metadata, other documentation, and click here to access data HTML. So by clicking on this link, it'll open up a new tab. For the speedy sake of a tutorial, I have it already open here. Now that we're here, we're going to go down to number 2, Farm Operator Data Tables. We're going to pick Part 2 by Canada and Provinces, and Table 5, Farm Operators by Sex and Selected Variables. Clicking on that, and depending on your browser, you'll probably receive a pop-up somewhere on your screen, and it's going to ask you whether you'd like to open or save. We're going to click Open, and that opens up our data in Beyond 2020. We'll click to maximize the screen so that you can see more easily. And now a Beyond 2020 table can be customized and saved as another Beyond 2020 table or exported as a different file format. To select the items you wish to include in your new table, press and hold the Control key while clicking the left mouse button over the items in each dimension. So for example's sake, I'm going to click on Total Number of Operators, hold the Control key, click age 55 years and over, average age of operators, and say I want male. Click on that as well. Now that we've done that, we're going to go to the item menu along the top of the screen, click on that, and hit show. This includes only the highlighted items that we've just selected. Alternatively, selecting hide would show the items you have not selected. So to save the table, if you're happy with it, select Save As from the File menu. Now you'll name your table. We'll type in My Table with the .ivt extension for Beyond 2020 tables. If the option Include Other Dimensions is not selected, only the nested dimensions will be copied to your new table. Deselecting Include Numeric Data will only save the table view without data. So ensure that you have both selected. Then you would click OK or Save depending on your computer. Now to save the data in another file format, all of the dimensions must be nested in order to be included. So go up to your dimension bar and ensure that nothing is there. If there is, make sure that you're nesting it. We don't have anything to nest, so we'll go ahead and select Save As from the File menu as we did before. But this time, we're going to change our format to an Excel table. So we'll click Excel Worksheet, which changes our extension, name it, and click OK or Save, depending. You can also copy data to another application. Select your desired dimensions and select Copy from the Edit menu. So we'll just select a couple, right-click, Copy, open up Excel, right-click, paste, and there we have our data available. So that's all for this tutorial. This was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching.